Hello everyone, let's look at steps to uninstall the Windows 11 update KB5074109, also known as the build 26200.7623. So this is the January 2026 security update, and it was supposed to be a small update without any new features, but it turned out to be a nightmare for a lot of users. And this is because it introduces a slew of new problems, from breaking applications to forcing black screens on NVIDIA GPUs to making the classic Outlook app almost unusable, to the point that in some cases Microsoft even have to recommend users to uninstall the update. Although it's a good idea to keep your computer up to date, if you are dealing with different problems after installing this update, you can uninstall it, and this is how you do it. First, we're going to open the Settings app, and then we're going to go to Windows Update. From here, we're going to go to Update History, and then at the bottom of the page, we're going to see the option to uninstall updates. And here, make sure to click the uninstall option for the update KB5074109. And then we just need to click the uninstall button. Now, if the update fails during the uninstallation process, the only way to delete the update will be using System Restore to apply a restore point if the feature were previously available and you have created a restore point beforehand. Alternatively, you can also restore the previous state of your computer using a full backup that you created before installing the January 2026 security update. And now just click the Restart Now button to apply the changes. This process might take a few minutes. Now, immediately after the computer restarts, open the Settings app, go to Windows Update, and click the Pause for 1 week button. This will prevent your computer from trying to re-download the same update again on the computer. Now, if you want to disable Windows Update for a little longer, you can check the link in the description to the video to find out the different ways that you can disable Windows Update on your computer. And that's it. If we go to System, and then we go to the About page, we can confirm that we're now running Windows 11 with the previously available update. In this case, build 26200.7462. And that's it. That is how you uninstall the Windows 11 update KB5074109 on Windows 11 on Windows 11. Let me know in the comments if this particular update has been acting up on your computer. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.